Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase app downloads with Apple, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase app downloads on Apple devices, start by optimizing your App Store listing. Use a compelling app name that reflects your app's purpose and target audience. Incorporate relevant keywords in the app title and description. Write a clear, engaging app description that highlights features and benefits. Utilize attractive visuals, including a captivating app icon and high-quality screenshots. Create an eye-catching video preview that demonstrates the app's functionality and appeal. Focus on app ratings and reviews. Encourage your users to leave positive feedback. Regularly update your app to fix bugs and introduce new features. Engage in strategic marketing to promote your app across various platforms. Leverage social media to reach a broader audience and create buzz around your app's launch. Consider running paid advertising campaigns to target specific user demographics. Use App Store optimization, or ASO, techniques to improve visibility in search results. Analyze competitors to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Participate in online forums and communities relevant to your app's niche. Create content that addresses common problems your target audience faces. Collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Monitor analytics to track downloads, user engagement, and app performance. Adjust your strategies based on data-driven insights to continuously improve your app's appeal. Engage with your audience by responding to questions and feedback promptly. Utilize promotional offers and incentives to encourage downloads during specific periods. Remember that consistency and patience are key to growing your app's download numbers. Stay informed about the latest trends and updates in the app market. Continue refining your marketing techniques as your app evolves. Always prioritize user experience to keep your audience engaged and satisfied. This comprehensive approach will help you effectively increase app downloads on Apple platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.